Hi traders, this is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, where you can enjoy all of the member-only features like the live chat room, educational videos, real-time option and stock alerts, and much, much more. With the live chat room, I'm in there all day focusing on trader education and making you a more profitable, consistent, and successful trader. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest you take advantage of it. So we're going to take a look at the Netflix chart here really quick. We've got a downtrend line to contend with on Netflix. It's bearish below and bullish above. We have been rejected at this level 1, 2, 3 times right here, and we haven't been able to break over that. It does not mean that it can't break over it. It just means that we have so far not done so. So what we have here is we've got this 110, about 110, 111 resistance, horizontal resistance right here. We filled this gap. If you've been following the videos, you know that I liked it to fill that gap up here once we broke out of this descending wedge right there with this candle right there. But right now, I'm not sure that Netflix can make it any higher at this point in time. Needs probably a little bit of a rest before maybe heading up higher, but I do think we'll tag this 100 level before we go higher. But again, if we break over this trend line on a closing basis, so if we close above the trend line, then I will like Netflix for much higher prices, okay? So as you can see here, we broke over the trend line today in the middle of the day, but we ended up closing back below the trend line. Okay, so a lot of selling late in the day to push this down lower. Doesn't mean it can't break up higher, just means that it hasn't done so yet. So this is kind of the make or break level, this 111 level for me. Beautiful trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, 6 touches. So you know it's respecting this level because of all the rejections it's had at this level and again right here. So it's important, and it'll be important if it does break over this level. It's going to be a nice long trade. We'd probably target about 120 on that long trade if it breaks over this trend line right there. But that remains to be seen. We'll see what happens, but I do think it heads down from here. So looking at the indicators, no real sign. They look, bullish. Obviously, we've been kind of straight up, so no sign of bearishness right there. Histogram on the MACD made a higher high right there. Stochastics straight up, bullish. RSI straight up, bullish. Another thing I want to point out is we've got this trend line right here. If that breaks, that's going to be another good sign. So really, I'm looking for a break of this 107.50 right here below the close of this candle and the open of this candle right there, and that'll be below the trend line, and that'll kind of signal to me that the downtrend is going to resume to the downside, that we're going to tag this 100 level. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you're able to learn a thing or two. If you found this video at all helpful, go ahead and visit us at www.thetradinganalyst.com. You can sign up tonight and start receiving alerts tomorrow.